Once upon a time, in a small, sunlit village, nestled between rolling green hills, there lived a friendly little rabbit named Willow. Willow had the softest white fur, the brightest button eyes, and a heart full of curiosity and kindness. Every morning, she would hop out of her cozy burrow to greet the day, always eager to see what adventures awaited and to spread a little happiness wherever she went. One gentle spring morning, Willow noticed her neighbor, a wise old turtle named Timothy, struggling to carry a heavy basket of fresh-picked berries toward his home. Seeing him wobble and nearly tip the basket, Willow hopped right over and offered her help. With a grateful smile, Timothy accepted, and together they carried the basket safely home. Timothy thanked Willow with a juicy red berry, and Willow felt her heart grow warm. It feels nice to help, she thought, as she nibbled the sweet berry. A little later, while exploring the wildflower meadow, Willow heard soft sniffling from underneath a daisy. There, she found Bella, the tiniest field mouse in the village. Bella had lost her favorite pink ribbon in the tall grass. Willow knelt down, her nose twitching, and gently patted Bella's back. "Don't worry," she whispered. "Let's look for it together." They searched high and low, sniffed and scurried, until at last, Willow spotted a flash of pink tangled on a stem. Bella's eyes grew wide with joy. She hugged Willow tight, her whiskers trembling with happiness. "Thank you for helping me," Bella squeaked. Willow felt another happy flutter in her heart. Later that afternoon, a wind began to blow, rustling the trees and swirling petals into the sky. Willow saw a baby bird, chirping anxiously on the ground, its nest perched high above in the branches. With determination, Willow rounded up her animal friends, Timothy, Bella, and even a strong and gentle deer named Daisy. Each friend lent a helping paw, hoof, or wing. Together, they carefully worked out a plan. Daisy gently lifted the baby on her back, Bella guided the way, and Willow and Timothy encouraged the little bird not to be afraid. Soon, the baby bird was nestled safely in its cozy nest once more, with its mother cooing gratefully above. As the sun began to set and its golden light painted the world with warm colors, the village animals gathered beneath an old oak tree for an evening picnic. Willow's heart was full of stories from her day, stories of helping, sharing, and kindness. Sharing her sweet berries and a cozy blanket, she listened to her friends' laughter and happy chatter. That night, as Willow cuddled down in her burrow, wrapped in soft moss and leaves, she remembered all the little things, the way Timothy had smiled, the joy in Bella's eyes, and how the baby bird's tiny wings fluttered with relief. Each kind act felt like a bright little star in her heart, lighting up even the quiet darkness. In the gentle hush before sleep, Willow knew a special secret. Kindness is magical. It makes worries lighter, days brighter, and friends closer. Even the smallest act of kindness, like a helping paw, a gentle word, or a warm smile, could grow into something wonderful, lighting up the world one small, loving moment at a time. And as Willow drifted off to sleep, she dreamed of new adventures, where kindness would always lead the way. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and follow for more.